气。
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hey everyone, it's time for Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine。
Joseph， 你走得卡太上台位嘛？
你是叫我大声一点，对不对？
对呀。
对不起，昨天很累，所以今天比较小声一点。
那我们就来教这句。
That's right， 可以大声一点吗？
走得卡太上台位嘛？
走得卡太上台位嘛？Okay, that means can you speak louder？ 因为
你的声音太小了，可以大声一点吗？
好，怎么说这句？
唔给上太细嘞。
Get some tessele.
走得卡太上台位嘛？
走得卡太上台位嘛 Okay, that means your voice is a little too soft. Please speak louder. 有的时候可能是去很嘈杂的环境啦可以大声一点吗？这里太吵了 All right? Can you speak louder because it's too noisy here?
走得卡太上台位嘛？
走得卡太上台位嘛？
亚威太吵嘞。
亚威太吵嘞，太吵 That means too noisy here. So please speak louder. Let's review that phrase again. 可以大声一点吗？
走得卡太上台位嘛？
走得卡太上台位嘛 And there you have it, another round of Daily Hakka on ICRT.
什么太干？
是谁上来了？
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.